Hello friends, today I am going to share with you basic vanilla ice cream recipe and also Oreo ice cream recipe. So for that you will need a half cup of condensed milk, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, half tablespoon vanilla extract, heavy whipping cream and 1 cup whole milk. So for that first in one pot we are going to boil the milk on medium flame. So as you can see your milk is boiling. So at this stage you have to add cornstarch, and after that you have to continuously stir this until it's become thicker. Now our milk has become thicker, so I'm going to put it aside and let it completely cool down. So here you can see I have already taken 1 cup of heavy whipping cream and some ice cube and water. Now with the help of electric hand blender, I'm going to whisk this whipping cream until it's become a little bit thicker. We have to beat this cream in same direction. So at this stage we are going to add vanilla extract and condensed milk. Now we are going to beat this again in same direction. Our cream and condensed milk mix very well together, so now we are going to add the milk and we have to strain it because of the cornstarch. We have to take out all the lumps of cornstarch. Now finally we are going to beat this last time in same direction until it's stiff peak. So this is called stiff peak. So our ice cream mixture is ready, and now I'm going to take out the mixture into the container. And now I'm going to put this container into the freezer for 2 hours. Here I have taken some Oreo and put it in the Ziploc bag, and now with the help of rolling pin I'm going to roll, and I'm going to crush this Oreos. So our Oreo is ready, and you can see I didn't completely crush because I kind of like the chunks of Oreos in my ice cream. And I forgot to mention that if you want to add sugar instead of condensed milk, you can add. So for that 1 cup of whipping cream you will need half cup of sugar, same amount of condensed milk. So this is our ice cream after 2 hours. I take out this, and if you like only one plain vanilla ice cream, then you can eat this. And if you want to add more flavors, like I'm going to add Oreos into it, and if you like cashew, raisins and peanut butter, so you can add the flavors whatever you want at this stage. So Oreo ice cream is ready, and now put this again into another container. And after that, I'm going to put this into the refrigerator for at least 6 hours. So our Oreo ice cream is ready. And in the same container, here I am taking some more vanilla ice cream, and into this I'm going to add peanut butter, which I warm it up in microwave for 30 seconds. And I'm going to mix this because me and my husband, we both like peanut butter ice cream, so I want to make that one too. You just have to fold this. And my peanut butter ice cream is also ready, and I'm going to put this into another container. Oh, my bowl is making noise because I added ice and water this way. And I'm going to put this too into the refrigerator for 6 to 7 hours. So thank you for watching, and if you want to see any other videos, then let me comment down below and I will try my best. Thank you.